Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video at Unity Performance. Really excited to make a change to the Unity SI. This is our fleet car that's been the longest with us after Blue, my old SI. Of course, you guys know this is Thucy's red SI sedan build, full catalog 271, teen coilovers, work wheels, and a ton more done to it. I've been slacking on posting the dyno video for this, but let's say it made north of 350 at the tires. So today we're gonna do a big aesthetic change on this car. Thank you to Morimoto for both the fog lights as well as their V2 headlights. I've had these on my F8. Now I've got the Alpha X. But on this build, we're gonna go with the V2s yet again. They look absolutely stunning. So really excited to see how it turns out in both. Now, we've had the VLANs on this car for about 5 years. They have the blue sequential startup and then have the amber turn signals. They've been great, no issues, but let's refresh the build after 5 years and get through it. We're gonna show you guys the time lapse of everything coming off, being put back on, and then testing it out.
Through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard, and I wonder where you are.
Alright guys, so the headlights are off. We also paused the video, took some time to refresh the intercooler with high temp radiator paint in black, and then also the stencil in white. So before we move on to reinstalling the headlights, I actually want to show you guys what this is. These are modules that are provided by Morimoto. And when you're doing the install, you can basically choose how you want the lighting setup to be. So if you have the red module installed, there's two, one for each headlights. It's a white DRL with non-sequential amber turn signals. Blue is white DRL with sequential amber turn signals. Green is amber DRL with non-sequential amber turn signals. And black is amber DRL with amber sequential turn signals. We're gonna go for black. Recently, we just swapped my FK8's headlights from white to amber DRL, and it looks amazing. So we're gonna go ahead with the same on this car. Plus, when I had the Morimotos on my FK8, I did white DRLs, but we want to try something different on Thucy's SI. So let's see how that looks.